Okay, right. So we were at Market Basket just earlier, back from a sleepover, right? And then all of a sudden, you won't believe what you're seeing. We have a friend named Doreen at Market Basket. She works there, right? She gave us coupons, and we decided to get snacks, right? You guys see these snacks. Come on, guys, let's go. Come on, follow me. We gotta go see the snacks. Come on. Ready? Here we go. Boom! Da, 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 da. Hook 3 over.
No, let's put all the cookies together.
Yeah, let's put all the cookies.
Get it out of the way.
3.
Hold on. You gotta show Dad.
Oh, there's some more cookies. There's another cookie. Oh, that fell. There's more cookies. Okay, put these cookies together. Mom, I'm filming this. I have to. Okay, cookies right here. All these Chips Ahoy cookies. 2 packs of Oreos. So 4 packs of Chips Ahoy cookies. 4 Oreos. 2 bags of cheese nips. We have 3 chicken and a biscuit. It almost kind of sounds like the Tabasco song. Minis Triscuits. This. We have some Ritz here and some vegetable things, right, Mom?
Right.
And then we have
3 chicken in a basket.
And we're going to use these to make s'mores. We have...
Can you not tape me?
I won't tape you. We have 6 Hershey s'mores. Ugh. And some marshmallows for the s'mores. No, we just need the graham crackers because here's the graham crackers right here. Where we're going to do a s'more video of how to cook s'mores. And look at this. All these snacks. We got wheat thins right here.
Come over here.
And
just for a minute.
And there's
Sit down.
Wait, what? Look,
that?
it's the cane, the vegetables thing. It's the cane.
Do you think that all those are not
These.
Give some to Judy and give some to Derek.
No, these are good. These are good with us.
Okay.
So yeah, one more final picture. Here we go.